How you doing? Just wanted to show you a quick video of your bike here. I got a couple pictures there. Those show the carburetor and its restoration process. I did get that surging idle problem taken care of. The timing belt and the water pump, which is down here, it's all new now. Got all the timing belts finished today. The bike runs really smooth. I'll show you here. One touch. Fires right up. You'll notice the thing it idles dead smack at about 700 RPMs or so. I might bump it up a little bit. But it really runs awesome. It's all synchronized now. I found the problem with the air leak, which it was in the intake boots. We can talk about that, but I did fix that. So the carburetors are getting all the right amount of air. The belts are nice now. Like I said, those are all been replaced still, and the water pump is fine. And I've had it cycling hot and cold several times. Throttle response is clean. Right back down to idle, no surge. That needle's just solid right where it's supposed to be. So, got your new fuel filter there. Checked all the vacuum lines to all of your solenoids. I replaced the secondary solenoid filter, a few little things while I had all the panels off. There's no charge for the little things. But there's filters down in here and in here. So those are now taken care of also. So anyway, runs nice.